Okay, and there's no reason why we can't have an increment as a percentage. So here's a situation where we've got a function y, which is of three variables here, d, s and w, each of which are changing, and we're trying to find how much y changes by. So the increment of y is going to be how much y changes with regards to each of the variables. So we'll start with w times how much w changes, plus how much y changes with regards to, say, s, times how much s changes by, plus the rate of change of y with regards to d, times how much d changes by. So we have to do a partial derivative for each of them, and then see how much each one changes by. So if we differentiate this with respect to w, so w is the only variable, so the rest is constants, and we differentiate that, we just get s cubed over d to the power of 4, and how much w is changing by? Well, w is increasing by 2%, so that's 2/100ths of w, plus how much does y changes s changes. So now we're going to differentiate the s, which gives us 3ws squared over d to the power of 4, times the change of s, which is a decrease of 3%, so negative 3/100ths, plus how much does y changes d changes. So that's the same as d to the negative 4, so if we differentiate that, we get negative 4w s cubed on d to the power of 5, times the change in w, which is a decrease of 1%. Okay, now we can do some simplification on this lot. We've got 2/100ths of s cubed w over d4 minus 9/100ths of what we've got, s and s squared is s cubed w over d to the power of 4. Two negatives make a positive, so plus 4/100ths of w s cubed, and d5 and a d cancels this with d4. And notice that each of these three things are the same, so we can factor those out. So what have we got? 9 take away 2 is negative 7 plus 4 is 3/100ths of w s cubed over d to the power of 4, which is the same as we started off with, so that's just y. So the change in y is 3/100ths of y. Okay, and it should be negative, shouldn't it? So it's negative 7, 4 is negative 3. So it's negative 3/100ths of y. So y changes by decrease of 3%, so a decrease of 3%. Okay, so the increment of y is a decrease of 3%.